I'm never going to text you. I'm never going to call you. We are never going to meet again. Hey ladies, have you ever come across with these kind of disturbing and negative phrases? Don't worry. Today we are going to talk about two main reasons a man can hate you for and even might end up leaving you. Welcome to Anyone Can Relate. Hello everyone. Imagine it's a very fine and beautiful morning, and you and your man wake up happily. You take your breakfast together, and during the breakfast, you discuss the things and you decide that today evening you're going for a movie. Keeping the same thing on his mind, your man leaves for the work and you see him off with a very beautiful and very big smile. Now you are all excited about the evening. You imagine the things about the evening. You are very happy and you get ready before the time because you don't want to be late. And you do everything to look beautiful. You want to make yourself beautiful and presentable. So you wear your favorite dress, you wear your favorite shoes, and as you're very happy, you tell about the same thing, that what's going to happen in the evening, to your friend. And this way 2 hours just go from the scheduled time and you start creating the thoughts. You are just worried, and thoughts upon thoughts, and this is just countless. And you think, why didn't he text me? What's happened? Are we going for a movie today? And you are just worried. And by the meantime, he calls and he says, I'm sorry, we are not going for a movie today because I'm stuck in the work. I will explain you what happened, and we are already late. And you are in the mood of fighting now. Now the moment comes. He comes home all tired, worried and scared. He is worried that what would you be thinking about and how would you react. And as you see him, you are all furious. Without listening anything, you just start fighting. You just start shouting. Even he tries to explain you what happened, why was he late, what made him not to come on time, but nothing works on you. Even he says sorry, but the sorry is nothing for you. Now you just start counting the past incident happened. You start counting his mistakes, what he did in the past. And this way you just make him feel irritated. Now instead of feeling sorry, he starts feeling frustrated. He doesn't feel sorry. He feels like a victim. He feels like useless. He feels like he can never make you feel smile. Remember, ladies, men and women are very much different. There is a huge difference between these two creatures of the God. We feel different, we react different, and remember, men always think about the current situation. They don't drag past issues. They don't count the past mistakes or incidents. They hate past issues. So, ladies, please don't make this mistake ever. Please avoid talking about the past issues and just concentrate on the present. So, this is the first main reason a man can hate a lady for. Now, the second reason comes. Think you are going for a party. You and your man are very happy in the party and enjoying, and suddenly a woman appears, and your man says that, oh, she has a very good dressing sense. And listening this, you just get frustrated and furious. You start creating thoughts. I'm not beautiful. It means he thinks that I don't have a good dressing sense, he doesn't love me, he doesn't likes me, and these thoughts are just infinite. And suddenly your behavior changes, and your man is still clueless. He doesn't know what happened to you, and he feels what to do and how to behave and how to make you feel better. And this way, both of you end up not enjoying the party. You left home all happy for the party, and you come home all sad and distant. You have created your all the thoughts on your own, which he never said, and he is still clueless. He tries to ask you what happened, and you ask him the standard question like all women, don't you know? And you created all the thoughts for the thing which he never meant, which he never said. You felt it yourself, and war begins for nothing. You yell, you shout, you scream, and he is still clueless. And this all things happened because you created all the thoughts on your own for the things which never said by him. He tries to make you understand, he tries to make you calm down, but you don't. He forgot the thing what he said in the party, but you remember it. He didn't mean the things, but you hurt yourself for it because you created those thoughts on your mind on your own. My dear, elegant, beautiful, lovable, and adorable ladies, I understand that we all do that. We all create thoughts. We start thinking negative, and I agree with it totally, but there is always a room for improvement. And men will love that if you improve yourself in that way. And remember, whatever a man say, he means it. So why to create thoughts for the things which he never meant and which he never said? And remember that whatever he says, he means it. So stop creating thoughts and trust what he says, and stop creating negative thoughts. So if you improve a little bit, you will have a very wonderful and enjoyable life. You will enjoy with him, and he will be very happy to see you happy. He is worried when you are worried. So just trust what he says and enjoy your life, ladies. So this is the second reason, creating the thoughts for the things which he never said. Hope you understood these two reasons and you would improve. If you think it was helpful for you in any way, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, share, and thank you very much for watching all. Bye bye.